Creating a Quizizz is quick and easy, but there are a bunch of little details, little tips and tricks I'll give you. First of all, when I go to create a Quizizz, one of the things that I'll do is, well, of course, let's give it a name. What would be a good topic? It's the holidays, right? So, I don't know, holiday quiz. And lots of options. Make it public. Why would we make it private? I don't know. Although I will tell you this, I have made these up and used these at parties with friends and family. Ha ha ha. You might try it. Let's see. Let's go and just say done. And now I can go ahead and start adding questions, but that's the boring way to do things. Something that's really cool, much easier than with Kahoot, is I can go search for other quizzes that and just pull questions from them. So I don't know. Let's see here. Let's try English literature. Let's try that. That's hard to spell. Okay, now check this out. When I do the search, it shows me a bunch of people who've done quizzes that are related to English literature. And I can go and click on them and get a preview of what the questions look like. Are you with me? Are you getting what's happening here? If I click on American Literature Review, again, you can see there's questions. So I can review a bunch of these different quizzes very quickly, and I can just pick any question that I want and just add it to my Quizizz. Now, for some of you, maybe that's not that big a deal. Maybe you might be perfectly fine just finding a Quizizz that you like and just making it your own, you know, and going in and editing questions. But I can tell you in math, it's really useful to be able to pick out individual questions, and then I just add my own as I so desire. So let's see here. For you history buffs, let's give something for, if you know, I don't know, let's make it more fun. How about current events, possibly? So let's see what's happening. Okay, let's look through some current event quizzes that are available. And it looks like it's the same one over and over again. Oh, here we go. Okay, so various people have made some current events quizzes, and we'll go ahead and we'll pick this one out because it's kind of neat because it has a picture in it. I don't have to go searching for that picture or put it in there or make up the question or make up the answers. It's kind of nice. I'm going to go ahead and close this window. And now I've got several questions, and I have a blank one up front. I can either delete that or make it a question. I'll go ahead and delete. And then I can go ahead and add new questions if I like. Let's see here. What was the result of the latest election? Trump won. Clinton won. Or what is Aleppo? You know, of course. You know, unfortunately, that's the correct answer there. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and hit finish. And here we go. So select whatever grade levels. This is not that important. And we'll go ahead and we'll put in, I don't know, what it's about, whether it's history or English or computers or math. I'll just go ahead and say history. And yeah, oh, one of the things that I find that's useful, this is a little tip and a little trick for you here, is right here, tags. Really important, because whatever you put in for tags, you can search on this. So like for me, I make up the special little tag. I do Mr. W NPHS. There's very few other people. In fact, there's nobody else out there that has a tag like this. I can tell you can search for all of my Quizizz by searching for this tag. Or everything that's in Unit 3, you know, I can have a tag that says Unit 3. And I think I'm doing the tags the right way. I can't remember. Sometimes you have to put like a hashtag in front. So I might need to play around with that. But I think you just add them in there. Again, I can't really remember if you need a comma or something. I'm just going to go ahead and oh, there we go. So I hit the tab key to get that go. So I'll do unit 3, and then I hit the tab key, and then we'll put another tag. Let's see here, and maybe this is a particular. Maybe I want to know this is related to history. Okay, so I can search for those tags later, and I can either search my own Quizizz or somebody else can search and find mine. So I'll finish and create. Let's see, oh, they want me to include the topic, so I guess I'll go ahead. Oh, because I chose history, they asked me, do I want to say some specific kind? So there I go. Okay, now that it's in there, I can go ahead and I can play this for the kids, and I already have a video where I show you how to play this for the kids. Okay, so now I've shown you how to create a basic Quizizz, there's a few other little tricks that I'd like to show you. I'm not going to show you every detail right now because I'm already running on nearly 6 minutes on this video, and I'm trying to keep them short, but I'll give you a teaser. A few things to consider. Your kids will love it if you make up some memes. What you do is you can go around the classroom and you can take pictures of the kids and then you upload them. So I'll go ahead and hit create and name your meme set, and it can be unrelated to the quiz that I just made. I'm just going to call it maybe second period, let's do geography, and then we'll say done. And then click here to add meme. So there's a number of ways you can do it. Let's see here. Let's just go plus. So I'm going to add the correct meme. I can either select a preloaded image that they have available, or I can upload my own image. And oh, here we go. This one you'll find to be kind of fun. There you go. That's one that I made up using a little program, a little app called Bitmoji. But anyways, you can take pictures of the kids and you upload them here, and then you put the text, obviously go you, would be appropriate here. And ooh, maybe we better change the font color because it was not showing up as white. And what's really neat is, I don't know whether you need to name it or not. Whatever. I'm going to put blah, blah, blah. But what's really cool is that if your picture has no text, you can put meme-like text in, and it just does it for you automatically. So it's really nice. So I just added a correct meme, and you can then go add incorrect memes. And then what happens is when you go and you create, I'll go ahead and say finish. And oh, you need to add one incorrect. They're going to force me to do it. Okay, let's just pick another one. We'll do the ancient aliens, and I'll forget about the text for now. Maybe it'll let me get away with that. So I'll finish. So then when you go to create your Quizizz, and I'm going to show you how to pull up a public one and grab somebody else's. Let's say if you want an entire quiz is from somebody else. Look at this, Christmas songs, Aztec, Inca, Maya. Oh my God, there's so much cool stuff here. Let's go, why not Christmas songs? And so what you do is once you select somebody else's Quizizz, and by the way, you can search for them. Maybe we'll search. So let's say we want to look for everything from high school. And let's look for maybe science. Well, something specific. Let's go biology. So here we go. So here's a biology quiz. I just click on it and I can duplicate this or add it. Oh, adding it lets me add it to a collection. I'll talk about that in another video if you prompt me. But duplicate lets me take their quiz and make it my own. So now I can go in and edit it. If I go and look under my Quizizz, I should now see a biology one. All my Quizizz. Let's see if it's in there. Maybe I'm mistaken. Oh, dang it. I thought it was in there for sure. Okay, so let me just try searching for biology. Is it there? Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. So now when I click on that, I can go and edit it and do whatever I want with it. One last thing that I'll let you know is if you're working with Quizizz and you find something that you don't like, go over here and click on this help button. And first you can search for it, like, how can, let's see, maybe it's creating a a quiz. So after you search for help, they will try to give you answers, but if you don't like them, you hit contact us, and here you can go ahead and send feedback to the developers, and I have found them to be quite responsive, especially if you have, good suggestions. They're open to it. They've responded to me, and they've implemented some of my suggestions. Okay. Probably have lots more to say about creating quizzes. Maybe that's one thing they need to work on, is getting a new name. That is hard to say. Anyways, hope that you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful to you.